Today we are starting the ASP.NET Core 8 NPC crash course. This is Chapter 1, the introduction. So we're going to explore how to create two different ASP.NET Core 8 MVC projects with different levels of difficulty and functionality. In each project, you'll learn something new, starting with a simple full-stack project, creating a restaurant list application. So this is what we will be building. So you can view the catalog of a restaurant, and if you click on a restaurant, you will be brought to its detail page with features which dishes the restaurants offer. And in the second application, we will create an online notepad app like a clone of Google Docs, integrating user authentication into our project. So you can log in, create documents, edit, format, print them, and you can also access them from different devices. So what is ASP.NET Core? Microsoft developed C Sharp and the ASP.NET framework to build full-stack web applications. Competitive frameworks include Java using Spring, PHP, Laravel, Python, Flask, and Node.js. .NET is Microsoft's solution to develop all kinds of software since 2001. If you have worked with Java and the Java Virtual Machine, it is similar to that. .NET is a runtime environment to create or run applications on multiple platforms, like your desktop application, web application, hosting on the cloud, mobile apps, gaming, Internet of Things, AI, etc. Microsoft is a powerful player in the software development in .NET. It is their solution. In this book, we will focus on the ASP.NET used to build web applications. ASP stands for Active Server Pages, a leftover term from earlier technologies in the 2000s, but Microsoft has kept the ASP in the same name. Core is the open source version of the Web Development Kit, which is the cross-platform. You can write or run your applications on any server, whether it's on Linux, Mac, or Windows. Okay, now the ASP.NET Core MVC structure. Let's begin with a brief explanation of the ASP.NET Core MVC structure. So MVC stands for the Model View Controller and is one of the architectural patterns to implement the applications. So a model, so start with models. Models are C# classes that represent the application data. So for example, in our restaurant list app, our models will consist of classes like restaurant dishes and restaurant dish. We have our views. Um, so the views pages in the MVC is the V, obviously. So this is where we write the front end web pages of the application, like the HTML markup displayed on the browser to the user. And then lastly, we have the controllers. So it is very important as it stands for the C in the MVC, and controllers are responsible for handling all the HTTP requests to perform business logic and then output the data from the views to show them. So, for example, if our apps are hosted and on the restaurantlist.com, we will send the request to the restaurantlist.com, and a controller will be selected to handle this request. And that is it, chapter 1.